2015 Kia Optima. 2015 Kia Optima. We were going to get started on this thing today, guys. We were going to take out the dash. No, not the dash. We're not taking out the dash. We have to take out the dash, but not now. What we got to take out now is the headliner. Going to take the headliner out, but I look in here and then couldn't believe what I saw. And I have to guess it's because of this water right here. See that water? It's messy in here right now, so that didn't do any good. I put the water straight down in the dash. But yeah, couldn't believe my eyes what I saw. So let's look at this together. Oh wait. Gonna have to change. Well, we don't have to change this whole mirror. Just have to change this white cap on this. So this mirror is still good. Okay, that's good. But look in here, guys. This is what we have to clean today. We have to clean this fungus up, whatever it is. See it all on the steering wheel. See it all on the seat. See that? You see all that? Is that fungi, mold? Well, I guess some of that has to be mold. It's everywhere. So that's what we're going to try to clean up today. Then back here, it's back here too, but not as bad. It's really light back here. It's light. Ever since I pulled it off the trailer, I guess sitting on the ground, the moisture from the ground and everything caused it to happen, because when it was on the trailer, none of this was in here like this. It did not look like this at all. So, gotta clean this mess up. But we were going to do this up here, headliner. We was going to take out this headliner today because it needs to come out. I feel so uncomfortable doing anything with that headliner up there looking like that. But this is worse. This is worse. This is worse. So hold on. Let's see. I got some water mixed with a little detergent. Yeah, clothes detergent to wash clothes with. But I guess I can do this as well. So let's start with the doors. Well, this door, anyways. Start with this. Get all this mess off of here. Let me put my dust mask on real quick. I don't want any of this stuff to get in my lungs. I don't know if it can or not, but be on the safe side. Gotta put my little mask on right now. Be on the safe side. And I think this stuff grows back pretty quick too. So I have to replace that windshield. Gotta replace that windshield because this ain't gonna stay clean. This mess grows back so quick, but I got to replace that dash before I put that windshield in, because I'm pretty sure I have to, I'm pretty sure I have to put that headliner through the windshield because it's so big. I don't know what that is. Things you find in these cars. Yeah, but I gotta put that windshield. I gotta put the headline in before we do the windshield. Before we do the windshield, headliner gotta get done first. So that was what I was coming to do. So, but gotta do what we gotta do. So, let's do the steering wheel. Get a steering wheel. Get a good look at it. Get a good focus on it if you can. Yeah, that looks pretty good on the steering wheel. Okay, some of the stuff, it looks like it gonna come off like dust. Look, it can come off like dust. Yeah, it can. Lord be with me. Yeah, this is coming off like dust. Yeah. Coming off like dust. Yeah. Stuff is nasty. Lucky I got my mask on. Dust mask or whatever. That's I got it on. See all that dust coming off of there? Polyps or whatever you call them. I don't know what it is, but something. I'm pretty sure it's not good for your health. Pretty sure of that. Okay? Alright. There, we got the steering wheel. Now for some reinforcement, let's get this, spray a little bit on the seat. Yeah. Nature will take everything back from you. Leave it alone for a little while. You won't know what it is when you come back to check it out. Nature will take it over, I'm telling you. This is nature trying to take over. Can't have this one, nature. You can't have this one. Sorry. Alright, let's get it. Dust. Yeah, maybe I should have them some gloves too. Maybe I should have them some gloves. Tell you, man. It's terrible. Ugh. Ugh. Feels so disgusting. Feels so disgusting. It's a mess. It's a mess. It's a mess. I said mist. It's a mess. Look at this. Oh, man. Now I do see some black mold. Oh, Jesus. Oh, this is so disgusting. How is it all in the seat belt? How? Oh, Lord. Maybe I should have some bleach. Oh, Lord, it's terrible. Terrible. Hate this. Terrible. What I gotta do, I gotta get some more plastic to cover this window. Make sure water don't get in here like it has, cause that's the reason why it look like this in here. The water got in this car. Don't matter, I'm pulling that dash out anyway, but water done got in here. So filthy. Yeah. So filthy. Oh Lord, this is gonna be something, guys. This is gonna be something. Tell you right now, it's gonna be, I don't know, just cleaning this thing, it might be 2 videos. Just cleaning it. Not even getting to the headliner. Man, and I'm pretty sure I'm not doing a really good job at this either. Pretty sure of that. Just trying to clean it good enough where I feel comfortable sitting in here. Matter of fact, let me open these doors. so we can let the air flow through, so everything just won't be blowing back in my face over here. So yeah, let's see, we got a few more minutes on in this video, guys, but the cleaning continues. Gonna have to get these seats reupholstered, at least the bottom half, but hell, we probably can find the bottom half. Yeah, we probably can find the bottom half on eBay. Maybe at LKQ, and just take the cushion off of it. But I think the backs are okay. When we lay your backs on, okay. Just the seats. Just these seats are bad. So yeah, back's okay. Alright, guys. I know this is pretty quick, but feels better already. Feels better already. Really, I need to take all the seats out of here. That's what I should do. But it depends on where the track is on the floor. These are good because screws are up under these little caps, so the front is good. I can unscrew the front, but I believe the rear will be the problem. And the way it looks, I think it will be the problem. So for right now, that seat, as good as that gonna get for right now. It's good as that gonna get for right now. So we're not trying to fix everything right now. We're just trying to get it where I can actually sit in it and remove the dash. I mean, the headliner. That's all, guys. That's what we're trying to do. But guys, I'm gonna do my outro right now. This is the end of the video, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Like everybody says, hit that notification bell so you'll know when I post. And we'll see you in the next one when you're again in the yard. The yard. I'm just gonna let it roll on out while I work. And we'll see you in the next one. We will see you in the next one. Mm-hmm.